I found a mower on the side of the road for free. Look at this crazy ridiculous setup I have on today. It was nice for like a couple days and that kind of got me used to it being nice. I had my short sleeves on a couple days ago. Now the wind chill's back into the 20s and I'm being a pansy today. I found a mower on the side of the road for free. And this might happen, you know, every once in a while. You might see something on the side of the road and you think, probably shouldn't pick that up. It probably is just a piece of junk. But I have a lawn care channel. Why would I not pick it up? So today I'm going to show you kind of what condition it's in, to see if it runs, see what we might do to fix it up a little bit, and we'll just see what happens. So the very first and obvious question is, will this thing run? So let's go ahead and find out. First thing here I did was take the spark plug out, and it's pretty gunked up. So I did go ahead and get a new spark plug, and it sounded like it needed a little bit of work. So let's go through here today and see kind of what it might need. So this thing, I got a new one of those. Let's tip it over here, see. Definitely looks like it needs a blade sharpening, and for sure clean up this deck a little bit. Kind of see what that might look like after we get that cleaned up. $16mm fits. This thing looks really rusty and like it has not been sharpened in a long time, so we'll see what this looks like. For those of you who have allergies like I do, it's about the time when you want to make sure you start your meds, because all this grass coming up in your nose, you'll wake up in the morning and not be able to breathe a single thing. That's just me though. Oh yeah. Probably maybe never sharpened again. Really, really dull. So let me get my file out and see what I'm gonna do here. It's getting a little bit better. Alright, that was actually pretty simple. They're not like razor sharp, but much better than it was. So that'll work for now. Next thing, we'll go to the oil change. See, this is one of those mowers that says that you never need to change the oil, and personally I don't understand that, but I guess I checked the dipstick. There's really not much in there at all. So let's see here. well, I guess I would call that a success with the free mower. Just did a few maintenance items, really nothing too crazy here at all, and it seems to work. The drive system works. So I don't know how long it'll last, but we'll find out. I think I'm just gonna give it to my sister-in-law. She has a cabin that she's just kind of looking for a mower to use there. Nothing fancy, and so we'll see how long it lasts. But thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.